As you probably know, and if you don't, I can tell you, we came to the Netherlands for a few days at the end of October 2024. And the second city we visited was The Hague. It is a beautiful city with an interesting mix of old and modern buildings. It definitely has its own charm. One day is not enough to get to know The Hague, and unfortunately, we were not able to give it the attention it deserves this time. And the real purpose of our current visit to The Hague was the huge sandy beach in the very west of the city, and of course the sea. It takes about an hour to walk from the train station to the sea, but this does not stop true lovers of the sea. And on the way we had an unexpected encounter, a street Halloween carnival.
Минут 8.
Dames en heren, kinderdisco bijna aan het tapijt. Voor de ouders hebben we hier de gratis kopje koffie. Voor de dansen hebben we niet op.
And here it is, finally, the sea, the sand, the endless horizon. We spent here the rest of the day and very reluctantly returned back to the train station. We will definitely come back here again.